Hello kids! Welcome back to our channel. Princess Sofia and the Magic Garden. Once upon a time, there was a princess named Sofia. Sofia was kind. She loved everyone in the kingdom. One day she walked in the garden. She saw a little bird with a broken wing. Sofia gently picked up the bird. She gave it water and food. She stayed with it until it could fly again. The bird flew happily. It brought its friends to the garden. Soon, the garden was full of singing birds. Sofia also helped the villagers. She gave food to the hungry. She helped the old cross the river. Everyone loved Princess Sofia. One night, a magical flower appeared. It glowed in the moonlight. Sofia touched it. Suddenly, the garden became even more beautiful. Flowers bloomed everywhere. Animals danced happily. Princess Sofia smiled. She knew kindness brings magic. From that day, the kingdom was full of joy, and Sofia was loved by all forever. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.